What's going on, everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video you will learn how to change the folder icon to almost any icon you would like. You can color code it, you can change the picture itself of the folder icon, image coded icon. So what we'll need to do is download the folder marker from the folder marker website, and it tells you here that it has no malware, no spyware, it is virus free, 100% tested. Now of course you always want to double check things. If you don't have something that checks to make sure that the software you download or the setup file for the software you want to install is virus free, you can go to virustotal.com, and once you download the setup file, you can choose file. You can do it by file. You can actually also check a website as well. So we'll select file, choose the file that we downloaded, which is right here, and click open, and it will check if the file has any viruses. Now if it does have a virus, it will show, instead of the green check mark, it will be red, and it will tell you what the virus is. So this file is free of any viruses, so we are set to go ahead and install it. Now I actually already installed the file, so the program, so I don't have to do that. And it's right here. It's called folder marker, and when you open it up, it's pretty simple to use. You have the colors that you can choose. You can choose some of the icons that they have set for you, and then there's user icons as well. Now with user icons, if you click add, it will show you the different icons that are in the system itself. But if we want to actually customize a folder to our needs, what we can do is download an icon. And to do that, well, first let me actually show you guys how this works. So let's say, for example, I want to create a new folder and name it urgent. So maybe urgent files that I need to do, or something similar to that. So once you have the folder marker program opened, and the first step is to choose the folder, so we'll go ahead and select this urgent folder, which is in our desktop, and select it, click on it, and click select folder, and then we can choose whatever color we would like. So let's say for urgent it would be red. We click apply, and then you'll notice that the folder right there became red. You can also do main and choose whatever it is you want to do here. For example, high priority, click apply, and that will change exactly how it is selected. Now if we want to customize something to our needs, for example, let's say we want to have a folder called receipts, and this is where we'll keep our invoices or receipts of things we purchase. So because there is no icon for this, what we can do is go to icon archive, and I like this website because I'll show you guys in a little bit. So I'll search for receipts, and let's say we wanted to select one of these. Let's say we wanted to select this one as an icon to download. It gives you the option to download it as a PNG and also as an icon format, ICO format. So this is what we actually would need for the system to read it. Now because they don't have as many different icons as other websites, we can also go to flat icon, and this website has so many different icons. So let's go ahead and search for receipt here, and there's a plan you can do. You can become you can have a membership, I believe, or pay for a plan which gives you access to certain icons, as you can see, the ones that have the little crown at the bottom. So those are not free unless you become a premium member, but the rest of them are free to use. So let's say, for example, we want to use an icon from here, and I'll go ahead and choose something that has color. So perhaps I'll use this one. Now once you click on it, it gives you the option to download it as a PNG and also SVG, which I'm not exactly sure. I've tried using the SVG, EPS, and the PDS formats, and the system was not able to read them. So what you can do here is download the PNG version format, click free download. Once the icon you selected downloads, go to icoconvert.com, And then the first step here is to upload an image. So it's very simple. You choose the image, which is right here, the one we downloaded, and then you click upload, and then it'll tell you successfully uploaded. And there's step 2, which is optional. Step 3 is also optional. It's just to crop and select different basically styles. We'll skip all of that. We'll go straight to step 5. So step 4 is already selected for us by default for an icon. Although it says Windows 7, Windows 8, Vista, and XP, it works for Windows 10 as well. So step 5 is to convert it as an icon. And it converted for us. We'll click download your icon, and then the icon will download. So let's go to our desktop, and so just so we don't get confused, this one is the picture. If we hover over it, it tells us PNG file, so we can delete that, and then we can rename this to maybe receipt icon, and then we can keep this somewhere wherever you would like. You can put it somewhere in your documents, or you can keep it in a folder somewhere. For the purpose of this video, I will just keep it right here and show you guys how to do this. So step 1 is to select the folder. So we'll go to our desktop and we'll select the receipts folder, and then under the icon, the user icon tab, we'll click add, and then we will browse for the icon. Now the icon is actually, it seems like it for some reason it already read it, so but if you don't see this, what you'll have to do is basically just click browse and go to wherever your icon is saved, select it, click open, and then select that icon, click OK, and then from here you'll have to select that as well and click apply. Now once you click apply, as you notice here, receipts, this is the actual folder. Now you might be a little confused, it might be a little confusing because it doesn't look like a folder, obviously, because we customize it to wherever picture or icon we would like. Now this is an empty folder. It tells us when we hover over it, it shows us that it's an empty folder. If we double click on it, the folder will open. So we can have our files here, for example, our receipts, maybe, receipt 1, and so forth. And this would be our folder, so we can move this anywhere we would like. We can take this and move it to under whatever folder you would like. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just go to pictures and put it here, and it is still a folder. Even though it tells you receipts, it is a folder, so when you double click on it, it opens up the folder where the receipts are. So this is very neat because you can actually customize any folder to however you would like. You can browse. There are so many different icons that you can find in flaticon.com, and the majority of them are free, and they have a lot more than Icon Archive. Now Icon Archive is very, it saves you one step of converting that PNG, and they do have many different icons that are worth taking a look at from here as well. But of course, Flat Icon does have much more colorful icons and just a variety to choose from. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I really hope this answered any questions that you guys had. Obviously, if you're clicking this video, you're trying to learn about how to customize a folder or change the color of a folder. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Subscribe, like, share with anyone who is interested in doing something like this in their computer. Windows 7, Windows 10, it doesn't really matter what Windows version you have. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.